In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Cloudflare to WordPress so you can improve your website's security, performance, and overall reliability. If you're new to Cloudflare, connecting it to your WordPress website allows you to manage DNS, enable security features, and optimize how your site is delivered to visitors. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and add your WordPress domain if you haven't already. Make sure your domain is active and connected to Cloudflare. Next, review your DNS records to confirm that your website and email settings are correct. If needed, update any missing or incorrect records before continuing. Now log into your domain registrar and make sure your domain is using the Cloudflare name servers assigned to your account. Once the name server update is complete, your domain should show as active in the Cloudflare dashboard. After that, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. If you plan to use the Cloudflare plugin, install and activate it from the Plugins section, then connect it to your Cloudflare account by following the on-screen instructions. Next, return to the Cloudflare dashboard and review your SSL, caching, and security settings. Configure these options based on your website's requirements. Once everything is set up, visit your WordPress website and test a few pages to make sure they load correctly and that HTTPS is working as expected. If you've recently made changes to your site, you can clear the Cloudflare cache to ensure visitors receive the latest version of your content. Finally, continue monitoring your website from both the Cloudflare dashboard and your WordPress admin area to keep your site secure and running efficiently. And that's how you connect Cloudflare to WordPress. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.